We're given that the circle C has centre A with coordinates 7, 5, and that the line L with the equation 2x plus 1 is a tangent to the circle at the point P as shown in figure 3. So here's the point P. We need to show that the equation of the line PA, so this line here, is 2y plus x equals 17. So I'm going to begin by labelling what I know on the diagram. We're told that the line L is 2x plus 1. And the centre of the circle is 7, 5. We want to work out the equation of a line from P to A. And because the line L is a tangent to the circle, the angle between the line and the radius will be 90 degrees. So that means P to A is perpendicular to the line L. And because it's perpendicular, its gradient will be the negative reciprocal of the gradient of L. So this will be negative 1/2. Now we've got the gradient of P to A, and we've got a point it passes through. So we can use the standard equation for a straight line, and we can substitute n as negative 1/2. x1 would be the 7, which is from here. And this will equal y minus y1, which is 5. We can move the 2 over to this side, and we'll multiply out the negative. And then because in the question we want 2y plus x, I'll move this negative x to the other side, and the negative 10 to the left-hand side. So we've shown that the red line has the equation 17 will equal 2y plus x. So that's question A. For question B, find an equation for C. So we need the equation of this circle. Well, the general equation for our circle is given as this. We have the centre, 7, 5. What we don't have is the radius. But we can work out the point at P. This is when the line L, 2x plus 1, is equal to P to A. So we need to make y the subject of P to A and set it equal to the line L. And when you make y the subject of P to A, we get 17 minus x over 2. Now we can move this 2 to the left-hand side and expand out the brackets. And then I'll move the negative x over to here and the 2 to the other side. So x will equal 3. And if x equals 3, we've got 2x plus 1 is the equation of a line. So therefore, y will equal 7. And now we've got the 2 coordinate points, we can use Pythagoras to work out P to A. So we'll make it into a right angle triangle. From 3 to 7, we've got a distance of 4. And from 5 to 7, we've got a distance of 2. So the hypotenuse will be 4 squared plus 2 squared, which is root 20. So the equation of a circle then would be x minus a, and the centre of our circle, we know that's 7, 5. So x minus 7 squared plus y minus 5 squared will be the radius squared. So root 20 squared, the square and the square root will cancel. So this will be the equation of a circle. For part B, the line with the equation y equals 2x plus k, where k does not equal 1, is also a tangent to C. We need to find the value of the constant k. So if we go back to our diagram, if y equals 2x plus k is a tangent to the circle, then it must be parallel with line L. So the only way it could go is at this point. So I'll show the radius again. And now we can just use vectors to work out this point. From P to A, we go from 3 to 7. So we've got 4 across. And then from 7 to 5, we're going down by 2. So our translation vector is 4, negative 2. And that will be the same from A to this point, and I'll call this point Q. So from A to Q, we'll go across by 4 and down by 2. So the 7 add the 4, and the 5 take away the 2 will give us 3. So the point Q will be at 11, 3. So for part C, y will equal 2x plus k. Well, we've just worked out that at Q, we've got 11, 3. So y will equal 3, and x will equal 11. So the 3 take away the 22 will give us negative 19, which is k. Okay?